Just I'm just gonna take a long on Euro USD. I'll explain my thought process behind it. Just put in my targets, which is high of the week. So go to the euro, the daily chart. We've got the body, it's got the candles, so we can see, well, possibly this could be a low. Take out these stops, rallied up, possible break in market structure, and now a dip back down. Okay, so currently we are trapped between two key levels, this level here and this level here. So it's got to clear either above here cleanly or below here to get a real trend move, but till then I'm working within the range given. So if I mark out 50% of that daily block, right, so yeah, you can see it spiked right within that. Okay, so if I just get rid of the fibs, so you can see this is Tuesday's lows. We've taken out Tuesday's lows, rejected off it, and ripped up. Now these down candles here, let it move down, take out these stops, resistance there, broke out of it. Now I do not want to see it breach 50% of this. See the bodies here of this, so that's why I've got my stop loss there. Oh, got 50%. Do not want to see break that. If it starts breaking that, then I'm gonna cut it. Now this is just a day trade, so I'm expecting a rip up. Okay, intraday we've got stops resting here. Okay, but we'll see what happens. This is my objective. If I mark our ADR as a day trade, that's ADR, so I'll see how price gets there. If it starts finding support and drifting up, I'll hold it and I'll put my stops at break even. But as it stands, this is why I'm bullish. So going to the lower time frames, we can see that it's found support here already. If I read from the bodies of these candles here, it's come, thrusted through it, found support, and then it's rallied away. Okay, it broke on the high, so I want this to hold. Okay, hence why I've got my stop loss just below there. Okay, so those were open of the week, weekly open here. So if we get above here nicely, then obviously I think we're gonna start targeting these highs here. But short term, I'm happy with this. It's 11.6 pip stop and 52 pip target, so 4 or 5 are decent enough. So yeah, that's my plan. And this could also signify a possible low for the weekend. So it's Wednesday, possible low of the weekend, ride it up for the rest of the week, or at least the higher probability targets. Now come to the dollar index. We've taken out previous day's high here within this daily bearish order block. Okay, now going to the lower time frame, we can see, I'll mark this out, this 5 minute deep move down that led to the move up to take out what yesterday's high. You can see it's come down below it, retraced up low, and then lower low, then we got a retracement, took out these stops here into this breaker. So if this down candle can close full on bearish, then this could be within this range here, another move down. Okay, possibly take out these lows here, but I'm happy to just play it as a day trade for now and just see how it goes. So I'll update once price unfolds a bit more. Now it is London, towards London close now, so I am a bit careful, but we'll see if we get that rip. Okay, so I'll update once price unfolds. I'm just gonna resume where we left off. So it's pushed up, and by pipette it pushed the high of the day. I'm not convinced this is done, so I still got good reasons to stay in this trade. Now if I break this down, so I've taken this down candle, led to the move up to make a high on a 15-minute basis. If I take 50% of that, right, and draw that out, you can see that it's wick down below it, that's fine, but the body is back above it, so I want to see the body stay above it. So I'm going to trail my stop loss just under this swing low now. Okay. Ideally, if it starts breaking down below this, I'll cut it way before the stop loss anyway. But I'm gonna keep it like that. Now, if I also draw fibs from low to high, okay, that is within the what? 61.8 to 78.6 retracement. Okay, so a bit of confluence there. Now, I do not want to see this stall. I want to see this push up right now. So the way I'm thinking is they've got shorts in, and I think we're gonna get a late in the day move. The way this is looking to me, I've seen it happen before. So I'll update as price is obviously unfolding, but I want to see it start pushing up now. This move down, start pushing up back above. If we break back above hard, then I'll put my stop loss, I'll break even, maybe trim some position off because of the time of day, and ADR is just above the high of day anyway. So we'll continue as price unfolds. Okay, legends, just to continue, so we've had that pop that was on about where I was expecting a late in the day move. So I'm gonna put my stop loss at break even, right? So we're up about 24 ticks. So initially, from my initial stop loss was what, 11 ticks, so about 2R. So I'm gonna close some position off. Okay. I'll close about 2 lots off here. Don't know why my platform is fucking up. Okay, stops off flat. Now, if it gets back within Monday's range or the high, then I'll collapse the rest of the position. Okay, so I'm leaving as it is for now. See if we can get any further momentum. If we don't, then I'll collapse the rest of the position. So I'm going to stop the recording here, and I hope this is a quick little day trade on how I approach day trading. So we'll see how it goes. So my position is, if we do get back below here, then I'll collapse the whole thing, and I'll consider what happens tomorrow. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that.